Hello students, how are you all, and welcome back to our Hawthorne Pre-Primary Educational channel. Today we are going to learn a English rhyme. 1 to buckle my shoe. Let's start. 1 2 1 2 buckle my shoe. 3 4 3 4 knock the door. 5 6 5 6 pick up sticks. 7 8 7 8 lay them straight. 9 10 9 10 big fat hen. So students, let's learn with me. 1 2 buckle my shoe. 3 4 knock at the door. 5 6 pick up sticks. 7 8 lay them straight. 9 10 a big fat hen. Thank you.